Amazing Physics True Discovery.
Physics is an interesting and provocative discipline. It is a very broad subject of study. That is why we are here to widen up your knowledge and understanding about the basic concepts of physics. Hi, I'm Irina Makaso, and welcome to Amazing Physics.
Manila paper versus ruler.
The first experiment we will conduct is all about air pressure. And for this experiment, we will use a ruler and a Manila paper. If you don't have a Manila paper, you can also use newspaper. So, Mariela, maniniwala ka ba na kayang hatiin ng Manila paper ang ruler?
Weight ng ruler kaysa sa Manila paper.
Tingnan natin kung tama ka. Let's start the experiment. So, the first step is ilatag ang Manila paper. And then ilagay ang ruler sa ilalim ng Manila paper and then try to cut. Ngayon, naniniwala ka na ba?
Oo, pero paano nangyari yun?
Dahil yan sa air pressure. We all know that air pressure refers to the Earth's atmospheric pressure that's pressing down on an object. Nangyari sa ating experiment ay nahati ang ruler nang dahil sa air pressure. Alam naman natin na mas mabigat ang ruler sa Manila paper. Pero nahati ito dahil nga sa air pressure na nagpupush sa Manila paper. Ito ang naging dahilan para mahati ang ruler.
Why lubog and why lutang?
Our next experiment is all about knowing how. Melvin, hindi ka ba nagtataka kung bakit hindi lumulubog ang mga barko sa tuwing dadaan sila sa tubig?
Oo nga, no? Nakapagtataka nga na hindi lumulubog ang mga barko sa dagat.
Dito sa experiment na to, malalaman mo kung bakit hindi lumulubog ang mga barko. So, we need isang mangkok ng tubig, isang platito, and a lot of coins. Yung gagawin natin, first, steady lang yung dalawang to. Then, yung first weight natin is 3 peso coin. So, nakita natin hindi lumubog ang barko. Pero, yung volume ng platito natin is same pa rin. So, lalagyan lang natin siya ng existing na mass. Hindi pa rin siya lumubog. Kasi, yung mass is lesser than dun sa volume. So, dadagdagan ko pa siya ng barya. Lalagay ko na siya. So, nakita nyo, lumubog. Dahil yung volume is lesser than dun sa mass niya. So, yung density doon is higher. Kaya, lumulubog yung mga barko.
The density of the object is the state where you can identify which is heavier among the two objects if they occupy a same mass and volume. Popsicle chain reaction.
And for a last experiment, popsicle chain reaction. And for the experiment, we will just need a popsicle stick. Sa tingin mo kami, ano mangyayari sa mga popsicle stick na to pag pinagkabit-kabit natin sila? Sa palagay ko, wala. Kasi masyadong maikli ang mga popsicle at masyadong mahigpit yung pagkakabit-kabit nila.
So, let's try kung tama ba ang sagot ni Kamen. First, pagkakabit-kabitin natin ang mga popsicle sticks sa bawat dulo nila.
Gagawin natin ito ng paulit-ulit hanggang sa maging mahaba na ang ating chain. A body at rest will remain at rest, and a body in motion will remain in motion unless acted an unbalanced force. So, sa ginawa natin experiment, once na si Ibita, yung nagsisipin natin unbalanced force. So, once na binitawan niya yung gulo, nag-cause ito ng force sa lahat ng particles.
According to Newton's first law of motion, a body at rest will remain at rest, and a body in motion will remain in motion unless acted by an unbalanced force. At this case, the popsicle sticks possess a stored energy, which is called potential energy. Rosemary and the Vita serves as the unbalanced force that results the body to react, and the energy becomes kinetic because of the unbalanced force.
You have just watched some experimentation na ginawa natin na nakatulong sa atin upang maintindihan ang ilang concepts sa physics. Thank you very much for watching. We hope that you learn a lot. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this short video presentation about physics, and I hope that you've learned a lot. By the way, I am one of the member of the group and the editor of this short video presentation.
Amazing Physics, True Discovery.